Welcome to Rubicon Ren's Garage, where today we're doing an oil change. 2015 Jeep Wrangler 3.6, doing an oil change. All you need is a 13mm socket, 15/16 socket, extension, ratchet, one oil filter. I'm going with the XP wick. Part number is WL100 110 XP. I am going with the Valvoline Full Synthetic Advanced 5-weight 20. It's what's recommended. 6 quarts altogether. The 13mm sockets for the plug at the bottom. 15/16 sockets for the oil filter. All right, we got our new filter and our new ring. All right, guess you're gonna need a screwdriver to get the ring out. So, new ring. Make sure it sits in that first channel, not the second channel, or it'll leak. All right, sits right there. All right, we're gonna pull the old filter out. I just use the box, make sure it's not really dripping. Shove it in the box. What's in the box? All right, so pointy end goes down. Boop. And then this is gonna go on, but we're gonna put that on at the end because we're gonna drain the oil. We want that to stay off top as we're draining the oil. I went ahead and ran to the store and got a new drain plug. Last time we did something with this washer, if I remember right, so I didn't want to have any problems, so I just went out. $7, got a new one. All right, gonna go ahead and install this now. All right, go ahead and put your cap back on. All right, go ahead and take your oil filled cap off. Set it to the side. All right, 6 quarts, here we go. All right, have your rag ready because there's gonna be a couple drips. All right, make sure everything's cleaned up. Looks like I didn't miss any. Put the cap back on. All right. Go ahead and start it up. All right, we waited a minute for the oil to go down. You're gonna clean it off. All right, got enough oil. That's how you do an oil change. All right, now that we've changed the oil, we need to reset the oil level. All right, 1, 2, 3 clicks of the acceleration pedal, and there we go. 100%.